How to use two audio outputs at the same time on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use two audio outputs at once in your Windows device. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. First step, open up your settings, and on your settings, so you'll find the sound option. Tap on sound, and under sound you can scroll down and you'll find the advanced section where you can tap on more sound settings. After that, this pop-up should open up. Right here you'll find all of your output devices. You can right click here and make sure that you've ticked this show disabled device option as well. After you do that, you'll find multiple devices. Now, since I have not connected any other device, it's not showing, but for you, it should show the multiple devices you want the output from. All you have to do is select one. So here you can simply right click on one of those outputs, tap on properties, and you should find the properties like this. So whenever you find this option that says don't use this device, tap on this and select use this device. Then tap on apply and then tap on OK. Do that for all the other options in which you want the output from. Do the same for the speakers, and your basic problem's fixed. And that's how you use multiple audio outputs at the same time in your Windows device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.